Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm just kidding, but in all seriousness, since the lockdowns happened because of coronavirus, I've actually been able to get a lot more customs done, so I've got a lot more videos on the way, and I do have to apologise for the wait between the last video and today. But since that's happened, I've got a lot of stuff done, so I'm going to be coming back, I'm going to be much more consistent with my videos, and in today's video, I've got a good one. I'm going to be doing a pair of customs for Rico Pressley. Now, Rico is part of Eardrummer Records, and Eardrummer is home to other great artists such as Ray Shrumman, for example. Now, Rico actually has a song with Sway Lee called Betty Boop, so if you haven't heard that, definitely go check it out. It's a great song, and basically what he wanted on his pair of customs was he wanted one shoe to be Elvis themed and one shoe to be Harriet Tubman themed. So I'm going to be doing portraits on both. I'm going to be doing Harriet Tubman on a dollar bill. That's something that he was quite keen to have, and he also wanted the king on one side of the shoe as well. So I'm going to be tying it all together with a nice light brown colourway, and I'll be putting the steps up on the screen so you can follow along at home. Let's get into it.
niggas. Got the Harriet Tubmans on them hoes.
So it looks like he absolutely loved them, and I'm thrilled because I spent a lot of time and energy making sure that they're exactly what he wanted. Now, that's all for today's video, but make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you stay up to date with the videos that I'll be releasing, and I'll see you next time.